having difficulties, you can go back and watch the video and be like, oh, that's right. That's so easy. All right. We're going to be multiplying mixed numbers. Multiplying mixed numbers. Multiply mixed numbers. Multiply mixed numbers. All right. Does anybody remember what a mixed number looks like?
It's a number with a fraction.
And a fraction with a whole number. Okay, I might have missed the part where you said whole number. All right. So let's say I have 5 1/4 times 3/7. So we're writing this down. We're writing this down. All right, writing this down. All right. So the first thing you have to do when you're multiplying mixed numbers is to change the mixed number into a improper fraction. Exactly. Now, do you remember how to do that from last week? We multiply and add going this way. So, what is 5 times 4? 20 plus 1?
21.
So we have 21/4 times, do I do anything to the 3 7s? Nope. 3/7. Now, from yesterday, you can multiply these two numbers and then multiply these two numbers. But do I really want to?
Yes.
No. I want to work less. I don't want to deal with 21 and 3. Who knows what that equals? I don't want to do it. So what do? I simplify the corners. So look at 4 and 3. Can I simplify 4 and 3 by anything? No. 21 and 7. Can I simplify 21 and 7 by something?
Yeah.
Yes. What can I divide 21 and 7 by?
7.
So it can never... no, I should say that. Think of 7. What numbers can I only divide 7 by? What's the only numbers that work for 7? 7 and 1. But 1 is worthless, right? So my only choices for 7 are 7 and 1. Does 7 work for 21? Yeah, so that means that I get to use the 7. So I'm going to divide this by 7. I'm going to divide this by 7. So this is a shortcut I kind of taught you yesterday, or you already knew it. Before you start multiplying, you're going to simplify the corners. So we simplify these two corners. It makes the math easier. What's 21 divided by 7?
3.
Good. So we no longer have this. We now have 3. Circle it because I'm going to use it. What is 7 divided by 7? 1. I no longer use this. I now use the 1. All right. We're good? So now you multiply straight across like yesterday. We just multiply straight across. So what's on the top? 3 times 3. What's 3 times 3? Okay, I'm going to write my answer at the bottom. 9. What's 4 times 1?
4.
And you know what? Today, we're going to leave our answers as improper fractions. We're done. Okay? So the hardest part is simplifying the corners. If you don't simplify the corners, you're going to end up with 63/28. Who wants to deal with 63/28? Like, that just sounds like too much work. And it actually is. All right, ready? Another example. 4 1/6 times 3/5. Ooh, I like this problem. I like it a lot. So we're writing it down. Writing it down. All right. What's the first thing you have to do?
Multiply 4.
Multiply and then add. So we're going to change this into an improper fraction. Multiply that, and then add that. And if you need your multiplication table, use it. All right, what do we get? 25 over 6. So the 6 stays the same. Good. Times 3 over 5. Check the corners. Because guess what? I can simplify both corners. So let's do 25 and 5 first. Does it matter which one I do first? No. What can I divide 25 and 5 by? 5. All right, do it. So divide both of these by 5 before I do. Divide both of these by 5. And? What's the other number? So you take this, divide by 5, take this, divide by 5, and circle your new numbers. Circle your new numbers. If you need your multiplication table, have it out. All right, so what does the 25 turn into? 5. What does the 5 turn into? 1. I like to circle them because there's a lot of work. And if I circle them, I'm like, okay, those are the numbers I'm going to use. All right, check your other corner. 3 and 6. What can I divide 3 and 6 by? 3. I can't divide 3 by 2. So I get to divide this by 3 and this by 3. Drink some water. You divide it out. All right. So what does a 3 become? A 1. What does a 6 become? A 2. All right. Now we're ready to multiply straight across. What's 5 times 1? Whoa. 5. What's 2 times 1? 2. And today we can leave our answers like that. So you multiply what's are in the circles. Okay. Let's try a hard one. It's not hard. Go ahead. 2 1/5 times 3 2/3. Can you do the first step before I do? Can you do the first step before I do? What's our first step? Turn it into improper. So go ahead and turn them into improper before me. Turn them into improper before I do, please. Multiply that. Multiply that. What's our improper for the first one? What is it? Nice. 11 over 5. Times, what's the second one? Oh, 11 over 3. Oh, look, we got 11s. Nice. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is not what I wanted. I'm sad. Why am I sad? Can I simplify the corners?
Yeah. Only. Yeah.
Wow. Five and 11. Can you simplify 5 and 11?
You can't simplify it.
You cannot. If we know our multiplication table, your answer should be no. Can I simplify 11 and 3? No. So guess what? You just have to what? Just multiply straight across. If you can't simplify the corners, then you just do old school and just multiply straight across. What's 11 times 11?
121.
Nice. 5 times 3? And in today's world, we're just going to leave it like that. Okay. Are we okay? Uno más. One more for the road. Okay. 1 1/2 times 3 1/3. Turn it into improper. Improper, improper, improper. All right, what's our first improper? 3 over 2 times, so you multiply it. And then what's our second improper? 10 over 3. All right, now we can simplify the corners. Now, what if I don't simplify the corners, Miss O'Malley? Okay, you get 30 over 6, and you're going to have to simplify that. Huh? No. Oh, yes. Yes. I didn't understand your answer at the beginning, but yes. All right. But if you simplify your corners, what can I divide 3 and 3 by? 3. We don't want to use 1. 1 is like... What is 1 like? What's something useless in life? No, it's just, it doesn't do anything. 1 doesn't do anything. It's there, but it doesn't do anything for us. I don't know what's like that in real life. I guess everything's important. What's 3 divided by 3? 1. What's 3 divided by 3? 1. All right. 2 and 10. What can I divide 2 and 10 by?
2.
Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Okay. So 2 divided by 2? 1. And then 10 divided by 2? 5. 8. What? 1 times 5. 1 times 1. Does anybody know what it equals when there's a 1 on the bottom? So when you have a 1 at the bottom, it's this number. Whatever this top number is, that's your final answer. All right. Well, that was fun.